My name is Mary, and my position on the team is the small group coordinator. Right now, for me, Jesus is sovereign. He's teaching me how to trust him and trust his will and know that above everything else, he is in control, and I can't worry about what I want to do or what my own will is. I have to trust him and know that's going to be okay. I've grown up going to church since I was little. My mom worked at the church, and I was really involved in the children's ministry and the youth group. And as I got into high school, I just became a lot more involved, and really I just felt so accepted from my youth group. I wasn't always as involved in my high school, but my closest friends were from my youth group. So I just got super involved there, and they really showed me the love of Christ, and I think that's what really led me to accept Christ as my Lord and Savior. One of my life verses is 1 John 4:16, which says, God is love, and whoever lives in love lives in God and God in him. And that's just really been one of my life verses, because I'm just always striving to live in love and show God's love to others. After accepting Christ, I just have this peace, knowing that he is Lord and that he loves me, and that I don't have to worry about what others think, and that he is the only acceptance I need.
There is always a place we belong. Do you know there's a place you belong?